government has gazetted the controversial constitutional amendment number 3, bill that seeks to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's second term by 2 years and change the way Zimbabwe has been electing a state leader since independence. Salabina Mashuko Bdanyo Papango and Achinzi, government gazettes constitutional amendment bill that will extend Mnangagwa's term of office. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Mnamobdanyo Komchinzi. This officially kickstarts the lawmaking process. The bill, which also seeks to extend parliamentary terms to 7 years from 5, has mounted pressure on Mnangagwa, who is on a record declaring that he will neither extend his stay in power or maneuver his way into sitting beyond his constitutionally mandated stay. Constitutional Amendment number 3 bill, widely believed to be a creation of exiled former cabinet minister Jonathan Moyo, was presented to Mnangagwa and his ministers last week. All proposed provisions were approved. Building on ZANU-PF's resolution number 1 that seeks to extend Mnangagwa's stay up to 2030, the bill is said to be an attempt at aligning the Zimbabwean constitution with those of other African countries that are effective, resilient, and widely respected. The bill introduces a set of constructive reforms that, taken together, reinforce constitutional governance, strengthen democratic structures, clarify institutional mandates, and harmonize Zimbabwe's constitutional order with tested and successful practices in other progressive jurisdictions, reads the memorandum published in the Government Gazette. It must be reiterated that many of the reforms incorporated into this bill align Zimbabwe with contemporary African constitutional standards that have proven to be effective, resilient, and widely respected. Mnangagwa reportedly went against advice from his deputy Constantino Chiwenga and the Central Intelligence Organization CIO by giving Justice Minister Ziyambi authority to move forward with its drafting and presentation. Do mashukano mdanyo kwa pangwa ino pamsope this bill. Pena comment section videos of mure aim to pamsope chit coach. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.